Good day. My name is David Wild, and this is the second part of a three-part lecture on Chapter 13 on teams and teamwork from Connect Master Management 2.0. Now we'll talk about the subject of team structure. Team structure is a team attribute reflecting how team members are aligned with each other and the team's goals and objectives. Although structure can be thought of in terms of many different things, to a management student, three factors are especially relevant. First, the degree to which a team has matured into a capable work unit. Secondly, the degree to which the team has members who have taken on necessary team roles. And third and lastly, the degree to which the team's work goals and rewards encourage cooperation. Now let's talk about the subject of team development. The level of maturity a team has together, also referred to as team development, is an important determinant of a team functioning and effectiveness. By maturity, we mean the extent to which the team has settled into a relatively routine pattern of interaction among team members to accomplish the team's work. Some researchers have suggested that there are four distinct phases of development that most teams go through as they gain experience working together. These phases of team development are depicted on the upper half of Figure 1 that you see on your screen now, and are most applicable in team context where specific member responsibilities and roles are somewhat ambiguous. During the first phase of team development, referred to as forming, members try to develop an understanding of the team situation. Members try to figure out who is in charge, what is expected of them, and what types of behaviors are completely unacceptable. Storming is the second phase of team development. This phase involves conflict among members as they collide in their efforts to champion their own ideas and disagree to some extent about how things should go. In the norming phase of team development, members realize that in order to accomplish team goals, they do need to cooperate. And in the final stage of team development, called performing, members work within their roles as the team progresses towards achieving its goals. There are many different types of teams where the members have received specialized training and perform unique roles, and where the behavior involved in those roles is dictated by rules, regulations, or standard operating procedures. In these situations where there is team development by rule, teams do not need time or experience together to develop into mature and effective performers. This form of team development, depicted on the bottom part of Figure 1 on your screen, works well in situations where all the activities for the team is responsible can be broken down into distinct roles and where the interaction necessary to carry out the team's work is well understood and can be programmed in advance. Now let's talk about team roles. There are often differences between team members in terms of their roles or the behaviors of team members that are expected by other team members. How do roles develop? People differ in knowledge, skills, abilities, and personality characteristics, and these characteristics influence how people tend to behave at work. Over time, with experience and repeated interactions, these behaviors come to be expected by other team members, and thus a role for this person has formed. It is important to note that roles may be positive or negative in terms of the value that they bring to the team. Task roles. The behaviors that directly focus on helping the team complete the work or accomplish goals and objectives are called task roles. Social roles, in contrast to team roles and their focus on helping the team complete work responsibilities, social roles refer to behaviors that impact the context in which the team's work is accomplished. In the context of teams, interdependence can be defined as the work-related connections or links that team members have with each other. The work-related element of this definition is important because interdependence does not refer to social connections or the degree to which team members like each other. Rather, interdependence refers to how members' tasks, goals, and outcomes are interconnected and aligned. There are three types of interdependence that we will focus on. First, task interdependence refers to the degree to which members need to interact with each other to accomplish the team's work. In teams with low levels of interdependence, members may be able to complete work on their own and simply add it to the work of other members who are also working by themselves. In teams with high levels of task interdependence, members not only interact with each other, but their ability to accomplish aspects of the team's task depends on what other team members are doing. The second type of interdependence is goal interdependence. Goal interdependence refers to the degree team members are aligned with each other in terms of what they wish to accomplish. In teams with low levels of goal interdependence, members have different ideas about what the team is trying to do and what they need to be doing as team members to help the team become successful. In teams with high levels of goal interdependence, members have a common understanding of what the team is trying to do, and following from this, they have individual goals that mesh together in a way that helps the team reach its collective objectives. The third type of interdependence is outcome interdependence. This is the degree to which members share in the feedback and outcomes that result from the team's performance, referred to as outcome interdependence, and it has important implications on how team members behave and interact. In teams with low outcome interdependence, members receive feedback and rewards based on their own individual performance. In this case, how well the team performs does not have any bearing on the feedback or rewards earned by the team members. In teams with high outcome interdependence, members receive feedback and rewards based primarily on the team's overall performance. In this case, how well the team does means everything because members share equally in the outcome. If the team succeeds, everyone succeeds. But if the team fails, everyone fails. So, in summary, several factors have a strong impact on team structure or how team members align with each other and the team's goals and objectives. These include the degree to which a team has matured into a capable work unit, the degree to which team members have taken on necessary roles that need to be filled for the team to function effectively, and the manner in which team members are linked to each other with respect to work activities, goals, and rewards. And this ends part 2 of the 3-part lecture on Teams and Teamwork, Chapter 13.